Hi, I am Apurva Sheth and I welcome you to this latest edition of Fast Profits Daily. Now, 2 weeks ago, I spoke about how one could identify market bottoms. Now, I showed you how to use the 200-day simple moving average to identify these bottoms across various markets. So, since then, global markets are on a smart rally. Most of the global markets are up anywhere between 10 to 20%. Now, this is despite the fact that coronavirus has spread even faster, and the number of confirmed cases and the number of deaths have risen over the last 2 weeks. So, why did the markets rally? Well, a simple answer that I can give you is that markets were in a deep oversold zone and they needed some or the other reason, some trigger to move them higher. And so they did. So, irrespective of the fact that the fundamentals or the news flow is negative, the markets bounce back. So that's why I believe that price action is the only thing that a trader should give priority to. Of course, there are other things as well, but the most important and the number one priority that a trader should give is to price action. Now, I showed you how one could use the 200 DMA to identify reversals or market bottoms. Now, the same 200-day moving average can also help you identify stocks that are in an uptrend. The 200-day moving average can help you identify outperformers in the market as well. In fact, I have already showed this to our Telegram channel subscribers how one could use the 200 DMA to identify outperformers, that is, stocks which are outperforming. So, in case you are not a part of the Telegram channel yet, then I'd recommend you strongly to join this channel. It's absolutely free, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out any of the great stuff that we post out there. So here's a screenshot of what I shared with our Telegram channel subscribers on the 30th of March. Now, this is a list of 20 stocks from the CNX 500 basket which were trading above their 200-day moving average. Now, here is the same list of stocks in an Excel sheet. So, here we have the name of the stock, the closing price as on 30th of March, and the 200-day simple moving average level on the same day. Now, here I have the percentage difference between the closing price and the 200-day simple moving average. So, these stocks are sorted based on the maximum difference, or the stock which is far above the 200 DMA is listed in the top. So here we have the Adani Green, which is up 32% from its 200-day simple moving average, Abbott India, which is up 30% from its 200-day simple moving average, and so on. So I shared a list of about 20 stocks which were trading above the 200-day moving average. So these are the strongest stocks in the market. So generally we say that one should buy strength and sell weakness. So how do you identify strength in the market? Now, this is one way to identify strength in the market. That is, you identify stocks which are trading above the 200-day moving average, and the farther they are above the 200-day moving average, that indicates that these are the best candidates for long opportunities. Now, that was one thing. Now, how do we go one level deeper with this data? So let's check out what are the stocks. Now, I noticed that out of 20 stocks, 8 stocks were from the pharma universe. So let me mark them out for you. So Abbott India, Ipca Laboratories, Granules, Ajanta Pharma, Alchem, JB Chemical, Torrent Pharma, and last is Bio. So there were 8 stocks out of 20 which were from the pharma universe. Now this is a strong indication. You are seeing a group of stocks from the same sector in the high performers list. Now this is a very strong indication that the pharma sector could be the outperformer in the next few days. And that's what I wrote in my note as well, that one needs to wait and watch how these pharma stocks perform, and not only these, other stocks from the same sector as well. So what has happened between 30th March and until now? So here in this sheet I have the performance of the stocks which are there in the pharma sector, the Nifty Pharma Index, and their performance. So here we have the performance of Nifty Pharma Index, which is up by 21%, and the rest of the pharma stocks which are there in the index, and these stocks are also up by decent margin. So here you can see that pharma stocks have been doing well over the last couple of days, and chances are that they could continue to do well going forward as well. So one should keep an eye on them. Now apart from this, one should also keep this in mind that pharma sector has been an underperformer. Pharma sector and most of the pharma stocks topped out in 2015, and they have been trending lower for the last 4 to 5 years. So there is a rule in the market that the last rallies underperformers generally tend to do well in the next bull market, and the stocks and sectors which did well in the last bull market do not tend to outperform. So pharma sector has been an underperformer for the last 4 to 5 years. So pharma sector from that perspective becomes a good candidate for leading the next bull market. Not only that, not only in terms of price action, but also if you look at from the perspective that now healthcare will become a priority not only for individuals but also for corporates and governments as well. So we would likely see increased spending on healthcare and medicines. So both in terms of price action as well as in terms of fundamental changes and behavioral changes that will come once the coronavirus crisis is over, the pharma sector could be in the forefront for the next few months and even probably years. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video will add value to your trading and investments, and in case if it does, then please share it with your friends and family. Like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to sign up or join the Telegram channel. We post both I and Vijay post absolutely fantastic stuff out there, which is liked by our readers and members of the channel. So please don't miss it. Do sign up to our Telegram channel. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Also, don't forget to sign up to our free newsletter, the Fast Profits Daily. If you sign up to this newsletter right now, then you would get access to this free guide, how to trade the markets like a pro. So don't miss this chance and sign up right now.